Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Immigrating to a new country can be an exciting but overwhelming process. Unfortunately, many scammers take advantage of hopeful immigrants, tricking them into paying large sums of money for fake visas, job offers, and legal services. In today's video, we're going to break down the most common immigration scams, how to spot them, and what you can do to protect yourself. Stick around till the end because I'll also share the best ways to verify legitimate immigration services. Number 1. Understanding immigration scams. Immigration scams come in many forms, and they are designed to exploit people who may not fully understand immigration laws or processes. These scams often target people looking for work abroad, seeking visas, or trying to obtain permanent residency or citizenship quickly. Let's go over the most common scams so you can recognize them. Number 2. Common immigration scams and how they work. 1. Fake visa agents and consultants. One of the most widespread scams involves fake immigration consultants, promising guaranteed visas in exchange for money. These scammers often have fake websites, social media pages, or small offices where they meet victims. They claim they have inside connections at embassies and can get your visa processed faster. The reality: no legitimate immigration agency can guarantee a visa. Red flags: they ask for full payment up front. They refuse to provide a written contract. They claim they have special connections in embassies. They avoid answering specific legal questions. 2. Fake job offers and work permits. Many scammers send fake job offers to people who apply online. They claim that you've been hired for a high-paying job and only need to pay for your work permit or visa application. These scams are dangerous because they trick victims into paying fees for jobs that don't exist. Red flags: the job offer is too good to be true. For example, high salary, no experience required. You are asked to pay for a job offer or work permit. The employer uses a free email service like Gmail or Yahoo instead of a corporate email. No real interview or verification process takes place. 3. Lottery and green card scams. The U.S. Diversity Visa Lottery is a real program, but scammers often send fake emails saying you've won and need to pay a processing fee. The real program never requires winners to pay anything upfront. Red flags: you'll receive an unsolicited email saying you won a visa lottery. The email asks you to send money via Western Union or Bitcoin. The sender claims to be from U.S. Immigration Services. The real name is USCIS. 4. Phony immigration lawyers. Some scammers pretend to be immigration lawyers. They might have fancy websites and even fake bar association numbers, but they are not licensed to practice law. Red flags: they refuse to show proof of their legal certification. They demand cash payments only and offer no receipts. They give vague or incorrect legal advice. Number 3. How to spot immigration scams. Now that we've covered common scams, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Here are the key warning signs that something is not right. 1. Too good to be true offers. Any service promising a 100% success rate is lying. No one can guarantee visas or job placements. 2. Requests for upfront payments. Legitimate agencies will charge fees, but they won't demand large upfront payments without a proper contract. 3. Pressure to act quickly. Scammers use fear tactics, saying you must pay today or lose your opportunity. A real immigration process takes time. 4. No physical office or contact information. Be wary of companies that only communicate via WhatsApp or social media with no real business address. 5. Fake or poorly designed websites. Many scam websites copy real immigration sites. Always verify URLs and check for give domains for official government websites. Number 4. How to protect yourself and find legitimate immigration services. Want to verify agencies and lawyers. Always check if an immigration lawyer is registered with a bar association or a government-recognized immigration body. For Canada, verify consultants at College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants. For the U.S., check lawyers at American Immigration Lawyers Association. 2. Apply through official government websites. Only apply for visas through official government portals. Examples: U.S. Visas, www.uscis.gov. Canada Immigration, www.canada.ca. UK Visas, www.gov.uk. 3. Get a second opinion. If an offer seems suspicious, talk to a legitimate immigration lawyer before paying any money. 4. Be cautious with email and social media messages. If someone messages you saying you want a visa or job you never applied for, it's a scam. Always verify. Number 5. What to do if you've been scammed. If you or someone you know has been a victim of an immigration scam, don't panic. Here is what you can do to take action. 1. Report the scam immediately. Contact your country's fraud prevention agency or immigration department. File a complaint with the local police if money was stolen. Report online scams to platforms like the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) or Interpol. 2. Gather evidence. Keep screenshots of messages, emails, and receipts. Save any fake job offers or visa documents. 3. Contact your bank. If you paid via bank transfer, contact your bank to see if they can reverse the transaction. If you used a credit card, report it as fraud. 4. Warn others. Share your experience online and with immigrant communities. Leave reviews on scam websites to alert others. Immigrating is a big step, and while there are many legitimate paths, there are also many scammers trying to take advantage of hopeful individuals. By staying informed and verifying sources, you can protect yourself and make the journey safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be at risk of immigration scams. Stay safe and see you in the next video.